Today I'm bringing you a new product from the TOZO series, the NC20 Adaptive Active Noise Cancelling Earbuds. Might not be very familiar with TOZO, but they are incredibly popular. For instance, on Amazon, they are frequent bestsellers on the sales charts. To achieve such results, their products usually have an unbeatable price to performance ratio. Next, let's see how this new product, the TOZO NC20, performs. First is the appearance. Honestly, this look is the most tech-forward among the earbuds I've encountered because they managed to squeeze a digital display screen into such a small body. This design is truly interesting, and I like it super much. With this digital screen, I no longer need to put on the earbuds or check my phone to see the battery level. Now, I just need to glance at it to know the remaining power. For someone like me with battery anxiety, this is a huge lifesaver. However, what makes me feel a bit regretful is that there are currently no fitted screen protectors on the market. Seeing such a sleek screen get scratched up still feels quite heartbreaking. I hope the manufacturer can follow up on this part of development and release a matching screen protector. That way, users can take them out and about without any worries after getting the earbuds. Returning to the charging case itself, the outer shell is made of a matte material, and the hand feel is quite smooth. The one in my hand is gunmetal, which looks particularly stylish and textured. The overall element design is also quite minimalist. Aside from the digital screen, the bottom features the charging port and the Bluetooth reset button. Next is the earbud part. The size of the earbuds is very standard for this form factor, but the feeling it gives is quite petite. This is mainly because they designed the stem to be a bit shorter, so the visual volume feels very small. This design is very nice. Visually, it gives a very light and agile feeling. So how does it actually perform when worn? My conclusion from the experience is it is indeed very light, because the earbuds themselves are very light, weighing only 5.3 grams. During this period, I often wore them while listening to novels. Sometimes, once I put them on, I'd listen for 3 or 4 hours. The earbuds didn't cause any burden, so in terms of wearing comfort, they have done a very good job. The TOZO NC20 also has a particularly practical function, in-ear detection. When you take them off, the music automatically pauses. When you put them back on, it resumes playing. This design is incredibly practical and time-saving in real life. Next is the main event, noise cancellation. The TOZO NC20 uses adaptive noise cancellation technology capable of reaching a depth of up to -45 dB. In my actual testing, in environments like subways and buses, after turning on noise cancellation, that buzzing low-frequency noise is basically eliminated by 80 to 90%. Furthermore, it provides noise cancellation, transparency, wind reduction, leisure, normal, and adaptive, 6 types of noise control modes. This allows you to efficiently handle noise interference in various scenarios. Okay, having said so much, how is the sound quality? The TOZO NC20 gave me quite a surprise in terms of feel. It uses PU composite and DLC high polymer material and a dual magnetic circuit structure with a 10mm large dynamic driver. This makes the sound clearer while also having a rich, layered feeling. Plus, it supports LDAC high definition decoding, so visually and sonically, it is very transparent, and the bass is quite punchy. It has elasticity but isn't boomy. Overall, the sound sounds rich in detail. Compared to some earbuds in the $150 range, it really has the power to fight back. Regarding battery life, official data states 10 hours for a single listening session. Combined with the charging case, it can last up to 43 hours. I've used it practically, and turning on noise cancellation gets roughly 9 hours, which is completely sufficient. Moreover, the charging box supports both wired and wireless charging. The Type-C port charging speed is also very fast. In emergency situations, charging for 15 minutes allows you to use it for a long time. They also have a dedicated app where you can adjust sound effects, customize gestures, and other operations. The playability is very high. Among these features, the AI is what I think keeps up with the trend best. Its functions are extremely powerful. There are 4 main sections: meeting records, real-time translation, simultaneous interpretation, and AI chat. My favorite is the meeting records. It can automatically convert meeting content into text, which is convenient for reviewing and organizing key points after the meeting. Also, it supports IPX8 waterproofing. This is a very high waterproofing rating among consumer earbuds. Therefore, during this time, after wearing them for sports, I would rinse them with water to keep the earbuds from getting sticky. This feeling of having no worries about durability is really solid. Overall, the TOZO NC20 at a price point of $39.99 on Amazon gives me the feeling that it knows exactly what the user wants. Noise cancellation is strong enough, sound quality is impactful enough, battery life is long enough, wearing is comfortable, functions are comprehensive, and details are on the point. These essential functions, it has everything it should have, and it adds the tech-forward and practical digital screen. Everything is arranged clearly and plainly from the outside in. If you are currently looking for a Bluetooth earbud that has a tech feel, good sound quality, and strong noise cancellation, you can check out this earbud. All right, that's all the content for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.